eyes.
Show us. Show us.
Yeah, very nice. My dick, I saw the dick. No, have eyes. Big eyes. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not joking, baby. I'm serious. Tell him everybody, my family. Really. Yeah. My dick is very big and I have eyes. Big eyes. Very big eyes. You like big. You like small big. What do you think? Say something.
Giant.
Giant.
Yeah.
Nowhere. Don't have giant. Bro.
The one that's like this.
Yeah. Tall. Mine is very tall, you know. No short. No short. Very tall. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. No fucking hell. I'm serious. I tell you.
Okay. Stand up.
Yeah. Stand up. Why?
Stand up.
Why?
Let me see.
Because that is wake up now. Right now. Wake up. Yeah, baby. No joking. I'm serious. I'm not joking. Trust me. Trust me.
That sounds very. That sounds very lovely.
Yeah, you are sleeping by me. One day, can you sleeping by me? 2 days, I'm not wake up. You're sleeping. You're crazy. Yeah, crazy. Dig, I have very.
You are very crazy.
No. Dig, I have crazy. My dig is very crazy. Book.
Does it talk?
Yeah, he talk. Yeah, he talk speaking. He have eyes. He have eyes and talking. Nice talking.
I don't know what's going on. This is why I like going live with FB, because I get all this shit.
Yeah.
My one have eyes too.
What? What do you have?
Sausage.
Sausage. Can you show me where is that?
No, I can't show you.
Why?
Because you didn't show me yours.
Because I want to show you. First one, are you first one show me after I want. You can show me, I want to show you. Don't worry about it.
I have pom pom.
You have pom pom.
Pom pom, aye.
You're big and small. Your pom pom is big.
Big.
Very big.
Big hairy pom pom.
Big hair and you have hair. You have hair. Hair. Your pom pom have hair.
Yes. Yeah, like this.
Really? Why not clean? No, I won't like it not clean. No.
Because I want to keep it long.
Really? Your hair is black and the towel is black and white. Which one? The brown.
No. It's purple.
Purple.
Yeah, purple pom pom.
I'm eating purple.
Oh.
Yeah, of course.
Do that again.
Yeah, baby, of course. Why not? Yeah, of course. Yeah, mommy.
You are fucking crazy, bro.
I'm not crazy. I'm serious. I tell you, really, trust me. I'm serious.
You are crazy, boy.
How old are you?
Me?
Yes, how old are you?
I'm 62.
62. Really? 62?
Yeah.
No way. Maybe you are 18, 19, maybe.
No, 26. Hello, Billy.
26.
Who's that?
He's my brother. Leave him. No, don't talk about it.
Halo, Tatinzo.
Yeah. Ready?
Tatinzo ilalabati. Kami daw kung gaya kumaram, tatali ito ko kung nabar kung ano di kami falta ni katat. Ano pa po kung Imita, gelo pa po kung
I know my fillet. Yeah. So,